Hi friends, my name is Lynette D'Souza and Vaishali Chauhan. I am a wildlife rescuer, a snake rescuer from Borivali, and my working area is Palghar also. I do wildlife rescues as well as the domestic rescues. I have few animals which I have rescued and they are under my foster care. I would love to share a few information and some pictures along with you. Come on, I'll show you some of my rescues. So friends, these are exotic animals and these are being exported usually. They are imported in India for wildlife people for trading as a pet, but they come by through smuggling in India. So these are the animals. If you register them under the portal of government, so now before January, so you can owe them legally. You can keep them as a pet legally. Henceforward, you will have to give all the documentations from where you got and how you got these pets and everything. These are herbivorous animals. This was rescued from a breeder. He gave up on her because she used to be very sick always and she never used to grow. No, she was not eating. She had some problem in her food pipe. So I rescued her from that breeder and treated her with the help of Dr. Pethe. And now she is perfectly alright. From last 2 years she is with me. Her name is Karma. They usually eat vegetables and fruits and everything. And this one is my Dagdu. And this was rescued during lockdowns. Yes, and he always does like this and he talks to us. So his name is Dagdu because of his color. My hubby named him Dagdu. He's very, very friendly, very cute guy. And the person who he was owning with he used to keep him in this very small cage and he used to use him for the photography with different so on the grounds of cruelty we rescued him. And from last, I think so, from 4-5 months he is with me. When I got him, he was very tiny, this much. You can sit on my palm that much. Now he has grown quite big into a handsome boy. So this is Karma and this is Dagdu. Right? Okay. So this is a python. I rescued him 2 months ago from a farm. He was struck into the net which they put it on the fencing so the rodents and everything don't enter their farm. So he was stuck into that and from 15 days he was lying there. When I rescued, he was completely lifeless. You can see only little of his tail moving. So after rescuing, here there is no facilities here in Palghar, no veterinary, no hospitals, everything. So by video conferencing and consulting Dr. Shailesh Pethe sir from National Park, he guided my husband and the line of treatment was provided by him. Accordingly, we did his treatment. We used to force feed him with the eggs, chicken leg pieces like this, with the force feed, with the medication and everything. So now he's completely healed and he is fit to release back into the wild after 2 months. So we will show you the release also. But before releasing, we are going to feed him 2 chicken pieces. So we don't know whether he will get any feed immediately or no. So we'll feed him. And we hope him a very nice life, free life into the wildlife again. have to give him a force feed, so we have to push this little inside so he don't vomit it. Usually wildlife or snakes, pythons, they don't eat anything into captivity, so he's always under stress. These animals are under stress, so they will not eat anything. So see, if you can see the chicken piece, I am just little slowly forcing it downwards so he don't vomit again. So see, all the way it has come here, the piece has come over here. I think so this is more than enough for him. But the portion has come over here and it is okay for him. It's already gone, so he won't give up now. We are doing now whatever it was there. Let's see his wound. So let's see how he has healed. Hi Rahul. These are called as African greys and her name is Rahi. This was rescued from where? From Mulund. She was rescued from Mulund by NGO Raw. Now she is under my foster care. So I am fostering her right now for Raw. Right? And her name is Rahi. These are also vegetarians. They eat all fruits. Then she is a dry fruit eater. You know? She likes cashews. Her favorites are cashews. She likes cashews. She's all the time with cashews and fruits. Right? Good girl.
दे दो मम्मी, मस्ती मत करो.
Cashews are her favorites. You know? So friends, we have come here into this deep jungle to release this beauty back into the wild. We spoke to the treating doctor, Dr. Pethe sir from National Park, and he gave the certification that he is fit to be released back into the wild. So this beauty is all set to go into its natural habitat, and we wish him a very good life ahead, a safe and prosperous life. See his wild. थोड़ा पानी पी लेगा ना, बहुत दिनों से उसने पानी नहीं पिया है ना, ऊपर उसको पानी शायद नहीं मिलेगा। So friends, he is released back and he is back into his natural habitat, into his wildlife. We are so happy. So friends, you saw such a beautiful experience this was to give life to one animal who is really mute, in need of your help. So please do not kill any wildlife or any animal. They really need you. If you see any wildlife around, please call the local rescuers. Do not kill them. Every animal is important to maintain the ecological balance of this environment. Thank you friends, and if you really like our channel, do like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.